Hello, this is Solving Systems of Equations by Elimination, Easier Problems, and I'll be solving this system of equations by elimination. And by elimination, sometimes elimination is called by adding or subtracting, and it's because if you have simple equations or any equations, you can always add them up. Like if I have 4 equals 4 and 3 equals 3, I could add these up to get 7 equals 7, or I could subtract them to get 1 equals 1. And these, if I put one underneath the other, the terms won't line up and they won't be easy to add or subtract. So I'm going to take this second equation and I'm going to arrange the terms so that they are like the first equation. So in the second equation, I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. On this side it adds up to 0, and on that side I'll have negative 2x. So this equation is going to become negative 2x plus 3y equals 11. And now if I put this equation underneath this equation, you can see how it adds up. And it's working out very nicely for us. The negative 3y and the positive 3y will add up to 0, and here I'll have a positive 6x. And 1 plus 11 is 12. So x equals 2. And the last step, of course, is to figure out what y is. And I can substitute into either one of these original equations, and I'll pick the first one. And getting that ready for substitution, I'll leave empty parentheses for the x, and just write down the rest of the equation, and now put in a 2 where the x was. I end up with 16 minus 3y equals 1, or minus 3y equals minus 15. That's after adding a negative 16 to both sides, and that leads me to y equals positive 5, because I have to divide both sides by negative 3, and negative 15 divided by a negative 3 is positive 5. So I figured out that x equals 2, y equals 5, so the solution is 2, 5.